decisions, sometimes rash, sometimes not rash, whatever, but I always do stuff, and I decided to do things on my own way. So guys, appreciate you all taking the time to follow my channel, all the likes, all the comments, all the subscribes. So please, even though I'm not here, if you're new to it, you come across this video, go check out my other videos, join my channel, subscribe to it, watch some videos, and give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Don't give it a thumbs up on this video, maybe not. Maybe I don't. Do what you want. You're free to do what you want, guys. So till we meet again, stay safe, and catch you all on the flip side. Or as Ralph Mark would say, scrap you all later.
Why does it show that I'm not streaming? Oh, wait a second. I think I am not public. That's one. That's why I'm not public. Sorry about that, chat. So hopefully you all are doing good today. I'm Ultra Derek. I am hiding. I don't even know where I'm at. Oh, I gotta set my chat. I gotta set up. What the fuck is all this shit? All right. Am I here? Yeah, I'm here. Hey. Let me check out the thing. Did I delete it? I did. All right, so let me do it here. I'm gonna check the chats. Hopefully you all are doing good. I've had like a weird day today. Hey, how's it going? My son's computer pretty much broke down. His NVMe drive went kaput. And yeah. Lots of cooking. It went kaput. You were cooking today? Let it cook. Yeah. He was like just like conking out on him, and I was like, turn it off, your computer, turn it back on. Maybe that's what's going on with my one NVMe drive. Remember how it kind of disappeared? Maybe it's going bad. Maybe I should check that out. Oh, let me turn on the music. And, ooh, wait a second. I gotta make sure. Hold on a second. Let me play this. I double clicked it. There we go. Do I hear this? I don't know if I hear it. Hold on a second. All right, the music's down there. All right. And let me check the... I don't want to accidentally bring it on I'll be bigger here. I don't want to accidentally bring on the beacon music onto the thing. Here we go. And beacon browser, it is on nothing. I think that needs to be on 1. Yeah. And then like beacon music needs to be on 2, I think. All right. I'm not 100% sure. Let me test it. Let me go to settings and output. Yeah, the audio track should be 2. I don't hear it on my end, so. And so. And so. 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 All right, does. All right. All right, does. All right. Cool. There's nothing going on with. If you guys are wondering whether the music ad's at Twitch, it's not on right now. What are we doing tonight, Pinky? Same thing that we do every night. Gonna take over the world. Wait a second, that's brain. Zoinks. Oh, I'm so freaking tired. So like I was what the fuck am I doing? Snarf. Is it just Narf? Narf. I was like going through this, I was like, should I like kind of break these up even more? Like this is like huge. I could probably break this up more. I don't know. Would it be smart to do that? Like the SRT path, like these paths here, like summary path. Whatever, the simplest thing to do is just do that first and then edit it later. That way you have a concept of what's happening. But then I have to like yeah, I guess so. Small steps are huge steps are no middle ground. I am just going to keep it as is. Yeah. So I think right now I'm going to start, you know how I have my webpage? I just uploaded it a second ago. So I got these here. How do I give like access? I want to like put the RLS. Like what do they have to have in order to like add it in there? Is there like some sort of password or something like that I have to put? Test table. Add LL. I have to create an account and then that account has a password associated with it. Oh, so you got to create an account. Like for here? Or just like in general, like just stick to the simple testing first. All right. All right. Hey, there's me. I guess I can check the sync. I guess I can check. All right, so that's working. All right, so I think I'm gonna. How do I access this? Public creators, table test. Can I like remove this? All right. Table cascade deletes the table and its dependent objects. I don't know if it has any dependent objects. Wouldn't that be fucked up if it did somehow? Yeah, I just fucking put it in the SQL editor and just fucking Do I save this? What's this chart? Private. Create a new snippet. Create a new folder. Well, I want to like, I guess like make that one UI and like load up those things. That'll be like the first thing to do, right? So I'm going to have the help of Grok or something. Create a web page. I know like you're showing me that other shit, but like at least I can get a start with it and then I can like show the other things. Cause yeah, there are like certain things that I want to like make. I do want to make like a video player. It's kind of like things are fucking kind of changing. I don't know if I want to keep this up. That's what she said. Service enum. I don't think that I'm using this. Yeah. That was more of like a, I think that was more of like a, getting information off the fucking, net. I guess we can delete that, right? Well, I don't need it there. Like, let's go to the tables. Oh, they don't even have the enums in here. Schema public. Real time. Unrestricted, bitches. My son, he had like Windows 7 on his PC. I was like, why'd you fucking do that? He was like, nostalgia. Dude, he wasn't even like around for when. Like he was around a little bit for Windows 7. I was like, nah, you don't need Windows 7, man. It's like last thing I need, like, cause he's on my subnet. I think I need to take him off the subnet. He's on my subnet. I'm like, that's the last thing I need. I miss 95 and 98. 95 is fucking really small. I was like, last thing I need is like you getting hacked somehow. I don't know. I'm not like a security like guru. But tomorrow I'm gonna reinstall Windows 11 on his PC, and then I'm gonna set it up. Definitely don't need Windows XP or Windows 7. Yeah. Aren't they like discontinuing shit? Like they just continued Windows 10 already. What the fuck is up with here? Service here? What the fuck? Oh. What the hell's all this shit? Probably shouldn't have this up. So I'm getting 2 of these. All right. I guess I'll keep those 2. This other one I'm going to delete here. And yeah, I was like downloading something and then like my fucking, I was like, I'm trying to unplug a USB-C. And then like my fucking, I was like, I'm trying to unplug a USB-C. And then like my fucking, I was like, I'm trying to unplug a USB-C. And then like my fucking, I was like, I'm trying to unplug a USB-C. And then like my fucking, I was like, I'm trying to unplug a USB-C. And then like my fucking, I was like, I'm trying to unplug a USB-C. And I freaking what did I do? I pressed my hand against like I got a huge fucking surge protector. And I put my hand against like the surge protector. And I guess I kind of like hit the power thing a little bit, which is also like, I guess on the right side, even though it says on, it's like a reset. And so like all my computers went out. They're like, boom. It's like, right now my fucking, hold on a second. My like, my beacon thing's not working right now. So I'm going to turn this on and off again. It's not loading. What the fuck, Dio? Unplug it then. Unplug it. What if resetting it like burnt it out? I'll be so pissed. All right, it's gone. It's on now. There we go. So I guess like I'm in it here. How do I? All right, can I get to it through this, or like how do I make like? Yeah, let me bring everything. Let me bring everything. Krita. I guess I can make a new table. I'll make a simple table as like a test table to see if it uploads. So, name, test table. Doing a test, doing a test. And then this will be incrementing, I think. As identity. Created that. All right, so add column. Name. Variable length characters. Difference between text and varchar. As null value. Set the value as null value. Fuck it. Yeah, set the value as null value, bitch. What's this? Can assume null value if no value is provided is unique. Define your column as a variable length multi-dimensional array. What the fuck? Yeah, we're fine there. Yeah, it's an array. It's a table. Anyways, okay, Discord. So I got these like these really cheap like open air like I don't want to call them like cases because they're open air. But they're like $30 at the time. What the fuck, Mothman, longest jump? What the fuck? You can't hurt me. I saw this too when I was overthinking. Oh my. I don't even know where my shit is. Editor project. What the fuck is it? Oh, forums. I'm surprised. Can people like create forums in here? Or is it just me? I think if I want an open air case. I would probably make one out of extruded aluminum. Well, I got one of those, but this one's kind of like already built in. They're steel and they're stackable. They're real nice. And what's extra nice about them? Here, hold on a second. Let me see if I can find it, but I gotta like hide my page. I shrink. I shrink. I didn't hide my page. There you go. Let me see if I got it. Return orders. Case. Ow! I call it a case, but it's not a case. Oh, they're not showing it as a case. Okay. I guess like a rack? Yeah, they kind of call it a rack. Iraqi. Oh my gosh, it went like way down in price. Let me take a screenshot of this. I think they're like half the price. Hold on a second. I gotta see how much I paid for it. Purchased another variation. Oh, this is different. Oh no. This is gone. All right, this makes more sense. All right, so let me print this. All right. All right. It's showing up at $35. I gotta add fans to it. All right. Pictures. Oh, let me close this. Pictures. Screenshots? Yeah. So scary. So I was like seeing this at first, I was like, holy shit, that's a fucking good deal. And then I was like, wait a second, this isn't the one that I bought. So that's not the one that I bought. It's this. And like these things can flip up. It kind of sucks to put together because there's a ton of screws you got to put in. Like this here. Got one here, two here, two here, one here, two here, two here, one. So like each corner is like fucking 3 screws. Yeah, and then like you can fucking stack them like this, right? But the really nice part of this is this here, and you could put. It's like having an 8-slot case. So you know, like if you have like a 7-slot like motherboard or whatnot. Let's say you got one on the very end. You can put a double. You can put a GPU there. Yeah, that's why I got it. But I gotta add fans to it. They don't come with fans. I'm like trying to like press stuff. They show it here with fans and stuff like that. This is loaded. That'll be the back. You just push it through. What's this? Probably the power thing. So yeah, I mean, like if you want, I guess like you can add like plastic or cardboard or whatever over all this shit. You know what I'm saying? Nice. Is that what your GPU server is in? No. My GPU server. Let me show you. I was building it. I actually built it on stream. It's in the fucking. It's in. I took off all my streams. Wait a second. Pippa gets caught off guard. Drinking time. Boyos. Oh, she's gonna be starting here. Like right now. Hold on a second. I gotta get on Twitch. I can't, like, she's ruining my streak. She's fucking ruining my streak, yo. Is she on there yet? Holy shit, like, okay, Friday night, like, there was like 5 people on, and now it's like, dude, she's a fucking.
I have brandy.
She's like, I got brandy. Look at this.
And I can't see Twitch chat. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Now I can.
Yeah, she hates us. Wait a second. She hates us.
Time for the old
anyways.
strat of recycling a Gatorade bottle.
All right, so I'm gonna close that. She like, I don't know. I don't think she drinks as much as she puts on, but sometimes like she drinks like moonshine and shit, like straight. She's nuts. So okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I shouldn't have closed that. Yeah, I would have like lost my streak if it wasn't for this here. My fucking streak. So yeah, okay. So you can go to like Ultra Derek. I'm gonna see if I can see this shit with mine. And we're going to Ultra Derek. And then like it's in my playlist now because I'm throwing everything in my playlist. Like some guy like comments on the still, even though like I make them unlisted almost immediately. Where the fuck is it at? It should be like the latest one I updated. I got tons of playlists, by the way. Eros Clips, Cyberpunk 27. Holy shit, I have 20 of those. Good tunes, yo. There he goes. Ultra Derek Clips. What? Why do I have this? Alright, I'm gonna have to fix that. You can tell like I'm like very meticulous. Live streaming. There you go. 777 videos. Okay, so it was like late December. Okay. Am I putting it together in this? Yeah, there it is. So I got like in those extruded racks. This is the fucking motherboard. Dude, fucking putting this together. I had to use like sliders and shit. Oh my gosh. Because this was like originally a board from, what's it called? Or this like this rack. I got this like a long time ago, like 2018. This fucking board's heavy. This is aluminum. The board's heavy as fuck. Oh yeah, and when they sent it to me with the chips, some decent chips. I just got them laying here somewhere. They're like the high end, like 12 core E5 V2 line, like they're the highest end one. I forget like what the code is for it. I'm gonna give it a like. So anyways, yeah, but one of them was had paste on, the other one didn't. I replaced them with 2667s. Yeah, E5 2667 V2s, because those have like the highest like clocks. These were there's the heat sinks right there. Yeah, this one has no paste on it. Ah. What the fuck, chat? Yeah, this one has no paste on it. You can see the paste still on this one. Yeah, this is my like wires, screwdrivers and shit. What is that? Oh. These are jst.ph. These are pins. I gotta throw away this lamp. This lamp's annoying. So yeah, I scraped together them all. I had like one that was like extra long, and you're supposed to be able to put like 2 boards on it, but yeah, I ended up like just putting that down. I got a smaller one where you can just like put 1 board, but I don't even know if they make these any longer. Like on the website, they're showing for like $150 or something like that. I was like, what the fuck? It's like, there's no way I'm gonna buy that. So I got like that one where I showed 2. So yeah, so this is on this. I would use that board or that rack thing if I could, but I don't think it would fit, and I'd have to fucking drill my own holes in it. And plus, they like space out these things so weird. And let's say I am able to put something on there. I don't think I think I'd have to like hover that fucking power supply above it somehow. Yeah, I would do Threadripper 2 or some Intel or whatever, right? That's what I would do if I could. If I could afford it. Oh yeah. So that's the board. Down, my server will pretty much be done. Yeah, they're never gonna go down. They're gonna take years. Got them to 350. Clear my throat. I need to lose some fucking weight and get a haircut. I'm a fat fuck. Oh my god, that looks ugly. All right. I need to go to like a Y or something like that. They already went down like $100. Yeah, they're probably going to like go steady state a bit. You know, they kind of like, they'll go up and then they'll go down just a little bit and like reach a steady state. But like, unless like companies start going out of business left and right, you know, declaring bankruptcy left and right, like AIs, they're not going to go down for a little bit. I do love like this board though. And I think like we're going to be done. I think everything's going to be fucked. So I pretty much finished it here. My man boobs. All right, let's stop looking at this. I need to start doing push-ups every day. That's it. I'm doing push-ups every day. At least 30 push-ups a day. It's called a start. It's called a start, baby. I started working at working out. What? I started working at 6 weeks. What the? Let's do this. Working out. Yeah. I used to like be big. I used to go to the fucking gym and like go there for like 2 hours, hour and a half to 2 hours. But then I kind of like stopped. Why is it having a hard time tracking me? And like even now, like just because I stream so late now, like holy shit. My sleeping has been bad. Welcome to the programming forum. So like on here, can people add stuff to the forums? I was hoping like people will be able to like add different things to it. I was hoping to be open when people add the stuff. I don't know. I don't know if I can think. I was able to do. You're only able to do it. I was hoping like the forums would just kind of be open and like people can add whatever to it. Can I like make that open to people? Edit category. No. Permissions. Okay. View channels. Manage channels. Text channel permissions. Add reactions. Manage messages. Connect, speak, video, external sounds. What if I like opened everything to everybody? That'd be fucking crazy. Wait a second. Is this just for that category? Manage channels. Allow members to change these channels, names, descriptions, text, voice settings. No. I just want them to be able to like create like channels and then like send messages, create posts, send messages. Is that just the channel? Oh, fuck. I didn't mean to close it. That could be bad. Be funny. Escape. The forums, yeah. Edit category. I just want people to... They can view the channels, right? That's like a default. Advanced permission. What? Manage channel. Allow members to change these channels' names, descriptions, text, voice. No, I don't want them deleting it. Manage permissions. No. Well, man, I can't like. You can't add a forum. Create public threads. Allow members to create threads that everyone in these channels can view. I just want them to be able to like create, not necessarily give them like, I don't want them to be able to delete them, but I want them to be able to create them. Wow. Create polls. It's not a very good forum if people can't fucking create new shit. Well, shit. I'm gonna go in the general here. Hey, what is it? I guess here, I'll do this. Forum suggestions. All right. All right. Now people, I wish I could double test this. I think everybody should be able to permissions. All right, add everyone. Gen stuff. I think that'll be okay. I forget how I fucking set up all this shit. All right, so add everyone. I was hoping that, well, I assumed that people would be able to add channels. Well, I guess like I think I assumed that like the forum here, I don't know. They should have it like, yeah, I don't know. Ass out of you and me. What? Assume that people would be able to add new forums. Be able to add yeah, new forums basically. To the forum. What is this category? To the forum category. Right. I was dead wrong. So I can't find a way for people to add forum channels directly to only be able to add forum channels to the category. So I guess I'll just take. Guess I will take suggestions. I guess your suggestions. Yeah. I mean, yeah. I guess still being able to create them can get out of control. But I don't want to be like a crazed nut. Leave them here. Here and there is a great chance I will add it. Yay! Hopefully my feelings have reached everybody. April 25th. Here we go. I'll use that one. Wait a second. I wanted that a part of mine. Anyways, there we go. That was a joke. Putting Nicki Minaj on there. Hello. Hello. Can I pin this shit? Edit. Yeah, there we go. Hey, just double checking that you want to pin this message to forum suggestions for posterity and greatness. What? So people can like suggest. I can't always tell if like people can like talk on these things. Yeah. Computer show and tell. Oh yeah, baby. Here we'll can I give it like a thing? The fuck? Yeah. Where's my thing? I want to do it for this one. There we go. That's what I want to do. Oh my gosh, this is why I used to have a computer like this, dude. Hell yeah. Dude, what is this thing? It's not a PCIe, it's like oh, what is that fucking called? I had one with this on it. And like I got a GPU, it was one of the last ones that had this socket in it. That's not PCI, dude. This is a AM fucking, I forget what it's called. It was before the PCIEs. These are PCIs. I probably had the same fucking GPU. Oh, this is my I don't use this because these are like 300 watt cards. Yeah, that's why I bought like those expensive. That's why I bought those 9060s. Don't everybody come here. Don't everybody rush here at once, yo. Anyways, wait a second. There's a reason why I came on here. So people can like write on there, right? All right. Give some fucking forum suggestions. All right, slow mode, age restricted. Yeah. Art is good. All right. Art. Anime. Anime. Wait a second. Oh, fuck. Not this. Oops. I didn't delete it all. Oh, shoot. Art. Anime. All right. Got it. It is done. It is done, yo. All right. Did I do that? Oh. There we go. There we go. There we go. Art, anime. Vtubers. Holy shit. Why didn't I think about that? Wait a second. Set recommended permissions. Create. Oh shit. Create tags. Holy fuck. Do I have to create tags? This is to post. You can post the finest of arts here. There you go. I guess. Tag. Require people to select tags when posting. I don't know. I guess I'll tag matching. Art. All right. So advice, art, gear. What? NTR. Can I do commas? I'm just kidding. Scat. I'm just kidding, guys. Futanari. We can only put the bad tags in there. What is this? This is highlight. Did someone put something in here? This is the anime forum. Anime forum. Penrose. Oh. Found this image in my files. It's going here now. Oh, nice. Nice looking. I think I saw her streaming today. I've never watched her stream. She's a looker. Never watched a stream of hers. Wasn't she like the first like HoloLive person to leave? Only moderators can see this. All right, so people can add like new posts. Oh, okay. There's like anime. What? Oh shit. Keep it to VTubers, boys. Keep it related to VTubers, boys. Yeah. All right. I guess I should announce that I'm streaming sometime. I'm streaming. All right, so let's oh, I was on there for a reason. Oh shit, 2 new ones. Have you ever wanted to watch a frail Victorian child play video games and sometimes yell at the Irish? I never thought about that. I've never thought about it before. I never thought about it. But holy shit. Hell yeah, I do. Hell yeah, I do now. All right. There's a reason why I came in here. Meow. All right. I was trying to see like who posted shit. All right. So this is the Anon. I think I'm gonna do like a local host. All right, so I got to get the Anon key. Client table, insert row. Oh, you can insert the row. Okay. Can you do like? Okay, wait a second. I guess I'll do this. What am I doing? It's just easier just to fucking... What the fuck? Checking stuff. I got 5 on it. I really gotta like, these are like driving me nuts. So I guess like, I think that takes sex to the face. I'm gonna do like a const do all of them. True. Equals true. Yeah. I got. All right. So, maybe I should like rename these. Okay. So funk. All of them. Okay. Okay, so this will be like anything with main in it. I think I'm gonna like. All right. Oh shit! I think I'm gonna keep the main on it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the main on it. There we go. The reason why I'm going to do that, because if I ever have to go back and I don't remember the name of it. Yeah. I don't know. It doesn't really fucking matter that they have main in it. In the name. Now it's just going to yell at me about one. Okay, can I close these? marital test. Let's get rid of these warnings. Bow. Check time, bitches. So the time is done in that like that universal fucking time bullshit. Yeah. Which I guess is kind of nice, is because it's all the same. But you gotta like keep it in mind, like whenever you're downloading. Ugh. Mirror air handling. What? Oh. When your test functions are a ton. And I don't think I'm ever gonna do like all of them. I meant to ask my mom about like getting another exterior fucking front facing fucking IP address. Get links. So I told my son, I was like, he was looking at Fedora, and I was like, you should get Omarki. Oh, I think that's what I'm gonna get. I think that's what I'm gonna end up getting after this Ubuntu. Okay. Did I say true? There we go. Do all of them. All of them. There we go. Ha! Oh, that kind of sucks. Holy shit, I have the chance to do something super funny. I gotta remember to fucking close this. Oh my gosh. I gotta delete this. I can't accidentally like put this in here. Just even if I do it once and I went to do like a check, right? This is my backwards way of testing. Like if I accidentally put that in there, leave it in one of them, it's gonna recursively like run this thing till the end of time. So I better not put that in the main at all. Yeah. That's smart of me. What is this? Twitch muted audio segment. So this is not working. All right. So not working. There we go. I guess like we'll cut it here. There. Copy. Yeah, it's not working. It's doing it weird. It wants to use like what does it want to use? It wants to do it like how does one put it? It wants to do it like it wants to do it like using like a thing, like a query select all or whatever. I don't know if it's query select all, but it wants to do something like that instead of like bringing out the cards and like checking things. So yeah, I gotta have a think about doing it differently. So func main. So I guess like I'll just do it in here because fuck it, chickens in a bucket, right? Fuck it, chickens in a bucket. Do I have to be in checking stuff? That's strange. Go get I can't wait to get Omaki. Oh, Postgres. All right. All right, let's see how that go Postgres. Pure Go driver toolkit. What the fuck? Why are they picking this? Like listen, notify, and copy. It can be used either as a standalone library or as a driver for a standard database SQL package. Password at localhost. What did you show me? Oh. Let's go to it. I mean, it's not too old. Yeah, we'll do this one. Select. See, the thing is, like, I'm using Superbase. Okay. Let me see if this is this. I'm using Supabase. So PGX would still be good for that, or is there a better one? Still be good for that. Yeah. I wanted to talk to me, baby. The best ways to use Superbase. What about Superbases? What about this is not a gotcha. GitHub.com. Great choice if you want to follow a Superbase way of doing things. It essentially turns your Go code into a client for the REST API that Superbase automatically generates for your database. When to use Postgres-Go rapid development, you don't have to write raw SQL. Security, it respects the row level security RLS policies that you set up in Superbase. Consistency, it feels like using the Superbase JavaScript TypeScript client. Serverless, perfect for lightweight functions where you don't want to manage a complex connection pool. All right. Use Postgres.Go if your app is already heavily reliant on Superbase features. I guess so it is. All right. Which one's better? Which one is better? The better choice depends entirely on whether you want to write SQL or use an API. I guess, like, I don't really want to write SQL because fuck that shit. Because I'm using Supabase. Anyways. Is the brain is the central industry standard for Go developers. For a full stack Supabase project where you want to move fast and rely on Supabase built-in security and API layer. All right, we'll do that. We'll do that. So which one do you want to use? Like, why does it ask me questions to help you decide? You just want to have me keep on fucking writing shit. All right. We'll go get this. Go get what? 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 All right. What? What? Is fucking GitHub down? I think I'm signed in. Well, that's a fucking crock of shit. Let me see if this works. Why am I seeing this? Why am I seeing this? Help me, AI! Help me! Why am I seeing this? Why am I seeing this? Cry emoji. Where's my cry emoji? Emoji! Where's my emoji? Wait a second. Oh, it's this. Isn't it like T? Like T-O-T? Yeah. Service, not your code or your computer. Essentially, the proxy service you're using to download Go modules is being unable to reach upstream server. Export. Do I have to do that? Huh. I've never... What? You didn't tell me why. He? Gemini, are you a he or she? What's your preferred pronouns? When I talk about you... Oh, shit. Nah. What? Oh, shit. Is that fine? What was that again? It says caution. Wish I had a beer. There it goes. All right. I gotta connect. LS. Is he done? All right. Fucking A. Delete original file. What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is this shit? Oh, clear. Clear, bitch. Ubuntu at oh shit, restart required. I think Henya's getting off. There's a free game on Steam. About played it. All right, so cd.local cd.media fetcher ls. So I got creators copy.json service.text. I thought I have anon.text. All right, so I got anon.text. I think here. All right, let's do this like home directory. Home error. If error not equal to nil, panic. There we go. And then like what was that? Media fetcher. Copy. Slash anon.text. Yeah, I should just cut the, like just said anon. Anyways, path equals home plus that. Fuck off. Bam. She's saying bye. Bye, Henya. I'll miss you forever. Anyways, I've been watching the is it Kairu Crocodile? Jaden's okay as a streamer. She's okay, right? Is she still on? Yeah, she's playing Rebo now. But she's been on since fucking like, I think like 3 or 4 o'clock. Pretty fucking wild. All right, so we're gonna grab that one thing. Why is there like, nah, no, that'll drive me nuts. Yeah. Let's close this. Oh, she raided Kyra. Wait a second. What she can make? Well, she hasn't been making anything really. She should have drawing streams, but maybe she doesn't want to draw. It's like second time's like, yeah, her debut stream was yesterday. Her debut, quote unquote.
I don't even know which
Import. We don't need that.
oh, did she read me? It's so hard to tell. Well, hi, sorry, I had to like log in and survive. We're playing.
Go isn't fully supported by Superbase, the community version.
Are they dead?
I should start like a fucking ooh. Maybe tonight I'll do it. Okay, so this will be the Anon key. Wait a second. Oh, I gotta get like OS that open. Maybe it's IO. I don't think they use IO any longer. No, they don't use IO util. I loved IO util. IO dot writer. Isn't there like a read all? Open file. Ah, shit. It's just iOS. Open file. And this will provide us. OS dot. It's the open file, right? Like, will one like get what? I'm just gonna do os dot open file. What? Why do we need to give permissions? I'm just gonna do open. All right, so. And it's path. So file got error. If error not equal to nil. Is it file? Environment? Probably. I don't know. I'm not doing environment. It's a file. I'm not gonna do that. Error. Panic error. Why is there a fucking main in here again? No wonder it's fucking crazy. All right, so I guess like io dot what the fuck? Expected declaration found that. Oh, that's why. Because you're being a biggity bitch. Shut the fuck up. IO dot. Aren't you showing anything? Okay. Go mod tidy. There we go. Still don't know the Postgres. Oh my gosh. What is it? Go could not. What does this say? This is like way big. Paste. No required module provided package. What the fuck? I'm getting this. Proxy outage. Go proxy IO might have a temporary maintenance due to high traffic. Should I try it again? All right. I'm getting this. Meow, paste. Piece of shit. I did do that. All right. All right. All right, all right, all right. All right. I just ran the tidy. Aha! Shut the fuck up. Oh no. What is this? Missing 2 variables of client. Well, let's not worry about it right now. So, file dot. Wait a second. IO dot. Open. I don't know. Read all. Read all file. Bytes. I think I can do like strings. Oh, they don't have to read all. STR converge. No, they don't have that. STR converge. All right. Read. I thought there was one that would turn it straight into like fucking, I don't know, read all. All right, we got the bytes. We got the bytes. All right, so I guess like key equals, they want the string. Bytes. There we go. And then a non-key. There we go. I just... What? Fuck off. All right, so 2 variables from... Ew. Okay, returns bytes, int 64. All right. I guess like it's n length or something. I don't know. I'm assuming it's length. What? Wait, execute. Execute runs, query. Well, what do these things return? It's probably the length of it, but all right. Execute. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck, dude? Count type? What? What's the count type? Oh, it's a count. So it's probably how many bytes there are. So what I was thinking. All right. So it's not my local host, but this is I guess it's new client. I should know this. I guess like name. I don't know. We can always like fuck with it later, chat. We can always fuck with it later. Settings. All right. Paste. All right. Length. What? You don't like the length? Context of background? What? Where'd you get the sample? Why did they give it a count? Is this what they gave? Let's see if someone has like a comment on this. Quick start basic example doesn't match. Is it? Wait a second. The quick start basic example. This is the new API, but go get installs. Oh shit. Oh fuck. How new is this? Yeah. Can I give it like multiple ones? Huh. Four people are watching it. The watchers are watching. The watchers are watching. Okay. How do we get like... All right. Well, fuck me in the goat ass. What is this? Dependabot? All right. All right. Stale. Oh, wait a second. Let me do this. Did it do that? Go mod tidy. Okay. What the fuck? I didn't know it was gonna do that. All right. Okay. Well, shit. This is a bunch of bullshit. That's what this is. Pull requests. Well, I guess I can. Where's like their. Okay. Where's your documentation? Wiki. Oh. Um. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. New client with error. New client. I might as well do a new client with error. Oh, okay. Length from select. Man, this has really put me in a count string. Like performs a vertical filtering. What's the count? Like the number of columns? I guess 1. All right. How would it know, like, let's get this count. If count not equal to that, and count planned or estimated. Oh, exact. Okay. All right. We'll put exact. Do I have to add shit to it? Ah. And this returns all right. And what is this? Head bool? I don't know. Holy fuck. I'm just guessing at this shit now. Something. And this says like execute doesn't take anything. Oh my gosh. Length. Response. Holy shit, what was it getting back before? Data. Oh my gosh. we're fucked. This is like completely different than what it was. Okay, so I am not getting the most up to date. Okay, so let's see this. Go get didn't give me the most the up to date version used on the GitHub page. The GitHub page with the samples and stuff. And there, that provides their samples. Samples, is there a way to get that? All right. By default, it looks the highest version tag. It knows. You need to target the branch. Is it telling me? I don't understand what this is. Pull a specific commit. Like this is. What are you putting here? Like, I don't know what this shit means. These aren't making sense. For 1 and 2, don't like. What is this? What is this? Is this like an error? Are you erroring out on me? No, this is you. Well, when I did the go get, there's samples on there. It's not like the most up to date shit. Oh, wait a second. Their samples are the most up to date, but when you do a go get, it's not the most up to date. They have like these releases. I guess like the new version's 0.13. And that's what they have up here. I guess. And yeah. Whatever this is not working with it. At latest. At latest. Can't request illicit version. Latest. Did I type it in wrong? Then I have to put it next to it. There we go. Go mod tidy. It still doesn't do the latest one. I think version 00.12. That's the latest. Well, some person here said, Mr. Basic README uses the new API, but GoGet installs version 0.12, which has a different API. Would it be possible to cut a 0.13 version to sync the README with your published package or have some annotations? So whatever they gave me is not fucking working. So what are the main branches? Yeah. Well, the sample's not working. And do an older version? You think it's like... Okay, hold on a second. You think it's an older version that's related to it? Because this seems like more feature-rich. It seems like it's... It seems like it is simpler and more... Hold on a second. Can I do... Let me see what this is. All right, so what was that? We were doing the... meow. What is this from? Filter builder, execute, select. So we got from, and then like we got query builder, select. All right, so let's go to query builder, select. All right, so this is the old one. First woman. I'm trying to fucking get the sample to work. Or trying to get like the most up-to-date one. Where do they change their README to? It's like not matching. Let's look at the README. It's not working, dude. Where's this README? README. Did it 5 months ago. All right. Where does this come from? Oh, shit. The one that you gave, and this one here, it doesn't match it. Wait a second, what's this? What the fuck is all this? Whatever you put on the thing. Yeah. Like you posted this. I copied it. Yeah. LLM's going to be finicky with documentation. Oh, well, even on here, it's not matching up. The quick start's not working. Because it's not, none of it's this. You're using Go? You did both go in? Five months ago. So stuff done 5 months ago. Yeah, this should have been like, do they, like, what is this sample? All right. Your quick start is a mess. Yeah. Create a chore. Yeah. What do you put? Documentation. Want to work with this? No, I don't. I second this. No one jump on this all at once. This can be confusing for new users. Workaround go get. Oh, wait a second. There we go. Hold on. What? Go mod tidy. There we go. Now it hates me. All right, so whoa, that was good. That was fucking really good. Let's do this. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. Ah! There we go. Undefined context. There we go. Well, shit. Users. Client from users. Select. No, what is this? All right. Nil dereferenced. Anyways, hold on 1 second. What am I thinking? What am I doing? Let's do this first. All right. That one. Select with filters. I guess I should put some data in there. Is users the table? Copy. What the fuck? What the fuck? Control C. Ah. There we go. You created a users table. All right, so let's create a users table. Can I rename this in here? Do I have to delete it? Users. All right, save varchar name. Something, I don't know what to put here. Description. A varchar. Jason. What is a varchar? There you go, save. What? User. All right, what was the users? Oh shit, what is this? Timestamped? I don't need like an RLS for this. Should I turn it off for this? For that sample? All right. Let me just add it in there. Sort. Shit. All right. Let's look at this here. Table editor, database. Holy shit, this has everything in here. Look at that. All right. Users by itself, it's a fucking authentic storage, edge functions. Like I can add data through here, right? If I remember correctly. All right. No data to show. No rows returned. Fuck off. All right. Let's see if they have like an add user thing. Exact. Insert data. There we go. Let's give it some data. All right, so this will be like insert data to user. What is that? All right, so I think this one's like grabbing it, right? Select. I got data back. I don't have any data. I didn't do anything. Nil dereference in the field selection? What the fuck? I want to know what this is. Alright, hold on a second. Let's put this in here. Shit. Alright, let's hide this. Copy. Field data interface. Well, interface is a fucking. Oh, well, whatever. All right, so. I don't know what this means. Dereference and field selection. Oh well. Client user. Fuck. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Name, varchar, description. Hung low. Hung be packing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Insert options. What's going on here? Did I copy this wrong? Update data. Oh. Insert a single row. Some clients from users. Why is it just one at a time? I guess it's okay, but upsert data. Okay. Advanced filtering. Holy shit. I don't know which one's more complicated, what I was doing or this. Yeah, this is weird. What's going on with this? Like, no new variable on the left side of... It looked fine here. Oh, I see. I see what's going on. My bad. Insert options, exact. All right, so I see what's going on. My bad, my bad. Let's do this first. Let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. What are we doing? Insert. All right, so boom, boom. All right, so V response. Insert options. Oh, why do you have this here? Want post credits insert options? Well, you didn't have. Oh. Z. My bad. Boom. No. Yeah. I got it. So this is like name. Oh, fuck me. Going to update the form. All right. Oh shit. I didn't want to go here. We got the name and description. Description. All right. Description. There we go. How do I add like more than just one? Hung low. All right. All right, so if error not equal to nil, panic, and then I guess I can do this. Boom. Print results. It shouldn't give me like any data, but we'll run this cd updated. Sweet. cd fucking trying. What is it? Trying stuff? Testing stuff? No? What? Checking stuff. There you go. Go run. Go rain. All right. Invalid header field. What? Hold on a second. Don't be like, tell me what my anon is. Maybe I should print that to the screen and see what it is. Invalid header field. Accept value for accept profile. Huh. Okay. Since I am running blind. All right, I got that shit to work. All right. I got that shit to work. No thanks to you. Anyways. Using, hopefully you can learn from your mistakes, bitch. Using at main. There we go. at main. All right, but all right, I'm getting this error. Able to get your record back. I'm getting this error. There we go. There we go. Call accept profile with empty or invalid. Header is used to specify a database schema. This header is used. If you don't provide a schema name, the client might be sending. Shut the fuck up there. So I guess like it wants to have local project, right? That's the name of it, right? All right, have a good one. All right, I think it's local project. Oh shit. I thought like it would just go on there, so okay, let's see what this is saying. All right. I think it's almost always public in Superbase. Is it? I think it is actually. Yeah, it's public. Okay. Public. Oh. Why didn't the anon key work? Anyways. Anon key. Oh, fuck. All right, so connection refused. Well, well, well. All right, so what the fuck? Import base 64. This is like way, what the? Access services. What was it 300 though? Oh. Why the fuck? Uh-huh. All right. New client. You should edit this. I guess they won't allow me to edit this. It should say at main. Vtubers have art and ultra fan art of Derek with Vtubers. All right. Why is it panicking? Because I told her to panic, bitch. All right. Oh. I don't know if that'll be a forum. I don't know why I just chose her. Anyways, all right. Public. Huh. Meow, 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 meow. Uh-oh. I didn't mean to do that. Anyways. See, if I hit copy, it won't allow me to, like, copy it again. Because it's weird like that. This new client shit. New client, put my shit in there. V1. Public. So this is public. Alright, so. Public. Oh. And then this one's like. Holy shit, this is huge. Where does it close this? It closes it here. What's this dot? Dot, what the fuck? All right. I think it's this. There we go. Copy. Ting the AI. Oh yeah. That sounds like a good idea. Yeah. Both are good ideas. I'm gonna do that right now. AI images. I don't know if I should call it slop. AI images. I guess like AI prompting. AI image prompting. Prompting. There we go. AI images and prompting. Prompt. Why does images? Okay. Can I do a slash? No. All right. Create channel. There we go. I guess like suggested tags. This is a place you can. This is a place to show off your prompt mastery. Also, suggested tags. All right. So I can add it later. Add them later. All right. There we go. Escape. All right. All right. Manga. We get anime, so I can do like manga. Manga. Talk about manga. Show images. Keep it safe for work, gooners. Yeah. There we go. Art. Keep it safe for work, gooners. All right. Keep it safe for work, gooners. There we go. All right, done and done. I can go there. I made a manga forum, which could include suggestions. Also, art/fan art. I don't know. Also, already made an anime one. I already made an anime one. Fan art. I guess I'll do fan art, but I'll make a fan art one. Fan art. I don't know who's gonna be a fan of me, but I don't know. Fan art. Keep it safe for work. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. I guess like if I was finance arts, it could be, I don't know. Maybe I'll just like art general. You can just, it can be anything. It could be anything. Fan art or whatever. All right. Fan art, anime, manga, Mona Lisa, classical, etc., etc. All right. All right. There we go. Okay. I guess like make it real art. Real art. The fake art. And AI art needs to go into what's it called? Into the one for late AI. The AI art forum. There you go. Save changes. There we go. Okay. Our general anime, fan art, manga, AI images. Yeah. AI images forum. Images forum. Prompt forum. Keep it safe. All right, so there we go. There we go. All right, so doesn't need to be a me. All right, so all right. Got new forums up. There's tons of forums, dudes. Who is this? Tori Oriani? Horniani? All right. So we got that. And then, did I copy paste this? Ah, fuck. And I have to go back in here. All right, so. Art general. No. Programming. There we go. New and reds. Oh, no. So I need to grab this. So it's not nil, right? And then I think this one kind of like got brought. Oh, it's API key. I don't know what API key is. What's the API key? Anon key. Users inserted. Why did that work? But not the what? Public key client service role. I don't know what the API key is. Wait a second. API key is the anon key. All right. So, all right. All right. So this is that. It's actually here. Boom. So I can do like this. What? Why did that do that? What? Why did it do that? There we go. So anon key is this. Keep it hot. Let's delete this. All right, so this will be anon key. Anon key. And this will say anon key. Anon key. What's going on with this? I think there's like a double on that. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Oh, I see what happened. All right. All right, we can do this. Boom. All right, so this should work. Hung low, be packing. Invalid header key for API. What the fuck? Invalid header field. Is it my port? I wonder if it's my port. I gotta. I gotta see what this says. There you go. All right, that's clear. right, so that was fine. Did I get the header from somewhere? What is the header? All right. I got the public in there. Why is it panicking? Goes net. Structure refuses send request if any header containing characters it doesn't like, including just being empty in some versions. Who's panicking it? Let me save this. All right. That was fast. All right, so API key. I guess like this. All right. Fetch error post. All right. Invalid header field value for. Oh. Na 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 na. I don't know what this is. Can you tell me what the AP header? Anon key. I don't know. You have to sign in. Shit. I think I'm going to maybe it's that. There we go. Maybe that's it. Yeah. Could it be that? We got user, right? There we go. Let's try this. For authorization, fuck off. 73. Valid header for authorization. Authorization. API key set anon key. Are you sure it's that? Okay, so what would be the authorization? New client, headers. What can this get? New client. All right, we got that. Main. Headers, map string. I never like use these, so I guess I assume that like I'm like familiar with this shit. Set API key. Why can't I just set API key and authorization, bearer, authorization token? All right, so what is the authorization token for? Authorization token for Supa base API. User JSON web token. Your user bearer. API key service role. Okay, maybe it's service role. All right, so, well, fuck. I have to do this twice now. All right, so I got service. And this will be service. A path. Home. Yeah, I don't need this. All right, this is S path. I guess like file close. All right, so then we'll make a new file. File, bytes. This will be service. Nervous in the service. There we go. Work, bitch. Well, what the fuck, yo? It was API key, then I was like, service fee. Like, what the fuck? So I got a service key. Wait a second. Yeah, right? I got service.text. Yeah, and I got anon. I'm trying to do this. Here, I'll do this. Public. I can do like nil here. No. Dot set API key anon key. The service key. There we go. I wonder if this this here is not doing it right. All right, so if this doesn't work, then I'm gonna shoot the computer in the head. All right, so for this here, copy. I wonder if it should be the new ones. What if I copied the wrong ones on accident? All right, so I got this function. And I am getting an error. There we go. Error. Saying this. I'm getting an error in the response. Oh. Oh. All right. Insert ops response. From user. Okay. What? User. Query builder insert. Insert performs insert into the table overview. It says the table review to query from. Insert. Values interface. Ops Postgres. These options. All right. Can that be nil? Execute. Context background, I guess. And this. Let me show it this one too. Here are my two. I'm getting an error. I can't tell where I can't tell exactly what's going on. Maybe I need to save something in here. So I got like my tables. I got a table here. It's unrestricted. Is it saved? I got table user. And there's no data in it. I got ID int. Ooh. Do I gotta give it an ID? Insert a row. Insert a row ID. All right, name. Created on right now. Default now. All right, so this will be name is Bill Bong tamer. He smokes a lot. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. A lot. A lot. A lot, a lot. Safe. All right, we got Billy Bong Tamer. Right? All right. Index advisor. Enable real time. This role for the API will get users not logged in. Will respect. All right. All right. All right. There we go. Enable real time. Once real time has been enabled, the table will broadcast any changes. All right. I don't know about that. Index advisor. Index advisor recommends indexes to improve query performance on this table. Enable index advisor to get recommendations based on your actual query patterns. I don't know about that. All right. Here we go. This is saved, right? I think that anon roll. Maybe that's like the problem. All right, so so I changed that. I don't know what to do. All right, so I can't see what's going on. And this function. Oh my god. Are these like spaces? Holy fuck. Alright. Let's do this. Oh shit. There we go. Ah! Control Shift Z. All right, all right, all right. All right. All right. Let's do this. Delete. Oh. All right, so maybe I can delete this. Oh yeah, baby. You like that? You like that? You like that, baby? Oh, baby. All right, so I have no idea what's going on. It's my first time using this shit. This is the first time for me using this. So, using any kind of API like this. Help me, Dio. All right, there we go. Oh, wait a second. I forgot to give you the key. All right, so I forgot to give you the thing. All right, so, oops, this is the error. Shit. Here, I forgot to give you the error. Wait a second. API can be sent as API key and the authorization token sent as authorization bearer are both used for, but they serve different roles. This tells the super base the gateway. It's still a database which user role to use. Since you're using service role key here, you are telling the database to bypass all security or else. All right, here is like a. This is the error. I forgot the. I forgot to show the error. I forgot to show the error. All right. Anon key. What? Could that be it? Could it be like an enter key? All right. Trim space. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. I could see it. There's probably like an end of file or something like that. All right, so anon key equals strings trim space anon key. Split returns a slice of string S that will get all the leading and trailing white spaces removed. All right, so service key equals strings dot trim service key. All right. You can't fuck with me now. Connection refused. Fuck off, motherfucker. All right. Anon key. It probably won't. Where's the service key at? All right, so it's not. What the fuck, Dio? Connection refused. Fuck you. You gotta be shitting me. I wonder if there's spaces. I don't know if there's spaces in my key. But I wonder if that's it. I'll have to fucking hide it or something like that somewhere. All right, folks, I'm gonna go it. I think I'm gonna try to I don't know. I'm going to try to I kind of want to play Satisfactory. I think I'm gonna play it a little bit and then like and then set up like a server after that. So I might play Satisfactory tomorrow. I've never played it before. So I kind of maybe I'll make it open to people. Yeah. I'll make it open to people, probably in my Discord. I'll just let everybody know in there. Okay, let's look at some games I got. Get to my gaming PC here. So I was like looking at it, I was like, holy shit, I got like a ton of games in here. Like I didn't realize I downloaded. I guess I got Borderlands 3 now. I really want to play this. I got Rust. I got Red Dead Redemption. I don't remember buying this game. This was free today. So I got Satisfactory. I got Ultra Kill. I had to get Ultra Kill. Outer Wilds. I remember getting this. Cluster Truck. I vaguely remember getting that. This is a really good game. What the hell is wrong with that? I guess I could try playing Helldivers. I just got this. I was thinking about like playing this game. It's not a game. You make emotes with it. So like I was like, it seemed like they're all like girls with hair. Where's the stop? What the fuck? All right, so I never quit it. So you got like these things and so I was trying to like see if I can shirt. Okay. Browse height. Okay. Where do I get rid of the hair? It's tenure, right? Hairbang position. So like, I don't know if they have like a cat version. I think like you got simple characters here. They already got like sample characters. Here. Alright, so we can start with this dude. I guess. I don't have brows. Like, why do they all have like the same fucking eye shit? So. Alright, so there's no ears. Alright. I guess like that. Facial hair. Holy shit. I don't want hair. Where's my hair? Hairbang. I don't have hair. I don't have fucking hair. Boom. 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 Head framing. Can I just like make the 0? Yeah, so like I was. All these are 0. Hair side. Oh shit. You can like make a VTuber in this. This would be like kind of low-key like VTuber maker. Highlights. Hair highlight. So I don't have ears, bitch. So what's up with the ear here? There we go. Animal ears. I guess that one. Alright, what's going on with this other hair? What's this here? I don't have eyebrows. So I don't know what those other things are. Alright. Mine's like really simple. Eye shape. There's no like eye shape. There's no bangs. I guess this is like a really bad idea for me. Eyelash length. That's like that's not eyelash. Horn. Tail flip. Oh, I got a tail. Is this in the front? Mecha. What the fuck is going on here? Oh, I see. Wing. I am a wing. So I think that the eye is like, I probably have to like change the eye or something like that. Mask. But I don't know if like you can like. Where's the eye? Animal ear. So I'm like gray, right? I'm gray, right? Like there. Boom. Animal ear outline. I don't know. Let's make it blackish. Oh yeah, baby. I don't have any furries inside my ear. Anyways. Animal ear. Look at that. Oh yeah. That. It's pretty intuitive. What about blanket? So they don't have like an animal, I guess. Taking a shit. Oh my fucking goodness. Animal ear fur. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is this? Let's do that. Animal fur. We'll keep that one. Boom. Where's my like actual face? It'd be really nice if like you could click on this and like highlight whatever. Bull. Where's my base skin? Custom texture. Yeah. I don't think this is for me. Unless like I make like a more of a human. Which I might. I might make one that's more human like. This fucking eye thing is. What the hell is wrong with this shit? Alright, so. But I don't understand like why I can't like move the eyes up. Alright. You get the eye shape. Ear shape. There's nothing there. No, that was ear shape. I thought that said eye shape. I guess you can't move your eyes up. Yeah. Zoom speed. I don't know. It'd be fun to kind of like make some of these sometime. Arrive. Can I save it as something? No, cancel. Test. Meh. Still running. There you go. Not running any longer, bitch. Are ya? Maybe. Get technical advice. Nah, I mean, like, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. But my avatar, my model is an animal, not a humanoid. So doesn't seem like, so it isn't really flexible in that respect. I can't move the eyes up and down. I can't really move the eyes up and down. Eyes up and down, and I don't know. And everything kind of looks, I don't know. Everything kind of looks kind of generic. I'm not going to ask for us. Be fun, but I think I might. I think it's like, I don't really hate it, but I don't think it's for everybody. To be honest, I could rate it either way, but I am going to err on the no. The thing is my model is an animal, not a humanoid. I'm not gonna ask for a fun. I might end up, yeah, a humanoid model, but yeah. Because it has potential. Kind of sucks. Yeah. I might end up getting a humanoid model, and I think it might help. It might be useful then. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Make a break. Yeah, so I'm thinking about playing Satisfactory. Maybe tomorrow. Or maybe Outer Wilds. I heard this is fun. Yeah. So we'll see. I'll set up a thing for it. I got to figure out what's going on with that other thing for the you know the thing. I got to figure out that. You know the thing. Who's on here? Oh, Ramelia's on fucking. He's on Twitch. Interesting. She's like never on Twitch. So anyways, yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I'll be on later on tonight, I guess. Yeah, have a good one. Take it easy. Stay out of trouble. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. I gotta figure out that one shit out. I gotta put those keys elsewhere, and yeah. Anyways, appreciate y'all. Where's my shit? There it is.